Welcome to Topic 11, where we will explore modules and packages in Python, presented by Dr. Mohammed Almantheri. This session aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of these fundamental concepts. Our journey begins with understanding what modules are. A module is essentially a file containing a set of functions or statements designed to be included in your application, acting as a building block. These modules can be imported by other programs, allowing you to reuse their functionality and avoid redundant code. They are highly reusable programs, promoting modularity. Interestingly, modules can even import other modules, creating interconnected systems. Python's standard library boasts a vast collection of useful modules, built in and part of every standard Python installation, like the re module. These modules speed up problem solving. However, some powerful modules, such as Pendulum, require separate installation before use. If you attempt to import a library module that isn't available, like Pendulum, Python will raise a module not found error. This indicates the module cannot be found. The solution is simple. Install it using the pip install pendulum command in your terminal. Once installed, the Pendulum library offers robust date and time functionalities. You can display the current local time, retrieve coordinated universal time, and even show time based on specific time zones like Asia/Muscat, showcasing its versatility and precision. Creating your own modules is a fundamental skill. A module is simply a Python program file with a .py extension. You can create these using text editors like Notepad, Spider, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook's %writefile magic command. When creating modules, name them appropriately and save as a .py file. Import using import module_name and access functions with module_name.function. You can also import specific names directly for cleaner code. Here's a practical example. We define a wishes function in greeting.py. After saving, we import greeting and call greeting.wishes, which outputs welcome Ahmed, demonstrating module integration. Python allows creating aliases for modules, useful for long names or avoiding conflicts. We import greeting as gr. Calling gr.wishes executes the function, producing welcome Sarah, illustrating the convenience of aliasing. Let's create string module with joinster to concatenate strings and repeatster to repeat a string n times. After defining, we import and use these functions, printing their results within a Python 3.9 environment. Next, we'll develop filehandling.py with two functions, refile to open and return file content, and checkster to print words with 2 to 4 characters. We then import and invoke both functions. This slide details the refile and checkster functions within filehandling.py. It shows importing the module, reading x.txt, and passing its content to checkster for analysis, demonstrating a complete file processing workflow. The dr function is an invaluable Python tool for introspection, revealing functions, variables, and attributes within an object or module. Applied to string module, dr highlights joinster and repeatster, aiding in understanding module capabilities. Moving to packages, they organize related modules into a hierarchical directory structure. This is crucial for managing larger projects, preventing naming conflicts, and improving code readability. A package folder with mod1.py and mod2.py forms a basic package. This slide illustrates module structure within packages, defining functions like fun1, fun2, and add. It shows importing a module from a package, but highlights a name error when the package's path isn't included in Python's system path. To resolve path issues, use sys.path.append to add your package's directory to Python search path. Once set, you can seamlessly access the package and its modules using the standard import command. The example confirms the updated search directories. Python offers flexible ways to access package contents. You can import the entire module directly, import specific functions for granular control, or use an alias for convenience, enhancing code readability and efficiency. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive exploration of Python modules and packages. We hope this session has provided valuable insights into structuring your Python projects effectively, enhancing code reusability, and improving overall development efficiency. For further reading and deeper understanding, please consult the references provided.